Welcome to channel, Effortless English from Zero. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. The pizza was hot. Listen and repeat. The man delivered the pizza. Her dad paid the man. He gave the man a tip. The man left. Her dad took the pizza to the living room. He put it on the coffee table. He opened the box. Everybody grabbed a slice of pizza. Her dad bit into his pizza. He burned the roof of his mouth. Listen and answer. Did the man deliver the pizza?
Yes, the man delivered the pizza.
Who delivered the pizza?
The man delivered the pizza.
What did the man deliver?
The man delivered the pizza.
Did her dad pay the man?
Yes, her dad paid the man.
Who paid the man?
Sophia's dad paid the man.
Whom did her dad pay?
Her dad paid the man.
Did he give the man a tip?
Yes, he gave the man a tip.
Who gave the man a tip?
Sophia's dad gave the man a tip.
What did he give the man?
He gave the man a tip.
Did the man leave?
Yes, the man left.
Who left?
The man left.
What did the man do?
The man left.
Did her dad take the pizza to the living room?
Yes, her dad took the pizza to the living room.
Who took the pizza to the living room?
Sophia's dad took the pizza to the living room.
What did her dad take to the living room?
Her dad took the pizza to the living room.
Did he put it on the coffee table?
Yes, he put it on the coffee table.
Who put it on the coffee table?
Sophia's dad put it on the coffee table.
What did he put on the coffee table?
He put the pizza on the coffee table.
Did he open the box?
Yes, he opened the box.
Who opened the box?
Sophia's dad opened the box.
What did he open?
He opened the box.
Did everybody grab a slice of pizza?
Yes, everybody grabbed a slice of pizza.
Who grabbed a slice of pizza?
Everybody grabbed a slice of pizza.
What did everybody grab?
Everybody grabbed a slice of pizza.
Did her dad bite into his pizza?
Yes, her dad bit into his pizza.
Who bit into his pizza?
Sophia's dad bit into his pizza.
What did her dad bite into?
Her dad bit into his pizza.
Did he burn the roof of his mouth?
Yes, he burned the roof of his mouth.
Who burned the roof of his mouth?
Sophia's dad burned the roof of his mouth.
What did he burn?
He burned the roof of his mouth.
Point of view, today. Listen and repeat. The man delivers the pizza. Her dad pays the man. He gives the man a tip. The man leaves. Her dad takes the pizza to the living room. He puts it on the coffee table. He opens the box. Everybody grabs a slice of pizza. Her dad bites into his pizza. He burns the roof of his mouth. Point of view, tomorrow. Listen and repeat. The man will deliver the pizza. Her dad will pay the man. He will give the man a tip. The man will leave. Her dad will take the pizza to the living room. He will put it on the coffee table. He will open the box. Everybody will grab a slice of pizza. Her dad will bite into his pizza. He will burn the roof of his mouth. Vocabulary. Deliver. Pay. Tip. Leave. Grab. Slice. Bite. Burn. Question of the day. Do you like pizza? Let me know in the comments below. You have to watch this video every day, for at least 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye bye.